Netflix is going to launch Kota Factory Season 3 on 20th June 2024. Its trailer was launched at the beginning of this June month and it is very fantastic. Welcome back, guys, to Popcorn and Perspective with your host Swati Kulkarni, where you can enjoy Hatke movies and web series review. Coming back to Kota Factory Season 3. Jeetu Bhaiya is as usual rocking. This trailer, we can see that we are again going to witness the amazing performance by Jitendra Kumar as Jeetu Bhaiya, a teacher from Kota who is anything but a typical teacher to the students. He's an amazing guide, friend, mentor to those who need it the most. He's guiding so many teenagers in every area of their life, be it their studies, basically for which they have come to Kota, leaving their family far away. Relationship problems, typical teenager crush types, lack of motivation, or any damn problem for which they would need support, guidance, and an ear to listen. Jeetu Bhaiya is always there. In season 1 and season 2, we see journey of our main character Vaibhav Pandey, who has come to Kota just like any other child to crack NIT. His journey from adjusting to new place, new friends, and overall feeling of being alone in an unknown city has been very well portrayed in season 1. Jeetu Bhaiya is introduced in season 1 where Vaibhav starts finding the perfect mentor in him. He finds his friends, his crush in the same season. Vaibhav, with his newfound life lessons, hope, and resistance, moves to a class in Kota from the existing one with the aim of reaching at a higher level. Season 2 of Kota Factory revolves around Vaibhav's struggle to adjusting to more competitive nature of the class where he had come with hope. His new relationships, his courage to express his crush, and his smoothness in handling the existing pressure of study and his preparation for impending entrance exam. The series revolves around Jeetu Bhaiya's daring step and his journey towards reaching his aim. His teachings are as usual guiding children in beautiful way. In this current season, we see the actual result day, the players of the ones who lost the battle with the entrance exam and the winnings of those who passed this entrance exam. This celebration opens up the eyes of Vaibhav as it reminds him that he has been very far away from the actual preparedness and he has been living in the bubble that he is way too ready smoothly to sail exam next year. With this cliffhanger in the end of season 2 and season 2, Season 3 becomes more interesting as now Vaibhav and gang will be facing ultimate exam. Their preparations from past 2 years would be challenged. It would be interesting to see how Jeetu Bhaiya would survive the role of an entrepreneur along with the mentor role. There are some interesting new additions in the characters. The trailer with these new characters and dialogues seems very catching. Kota Factory Season 3 is going to be launched on Netflix on 20th June. I'm eager and excited to watch whether Vaibhav achieves the aim he has decided so far or whether he changes his pathway. I'm excited to see Jeetu Bhaiya and his gem of a guidance given to the students. I'm also excited to see whether the series continues with the black and white format or finally introduces color. Stay tuned with your host Swati Kulkarni by subscribing to Popcorn and Perspectives to listen to Hatke review of movies and web series.